Good morning, cadets. Hope all of you are doing well. Last class we discussed the number system. Few concepts of number system we discussed. What is number system? What are the different type? What is the use of number system? And what is the role of number system in the field of computer? Okay. We the humans follows the decimal number system that we seen, which is denoted with the base radix 10, and computer follows the binary number system that we seen the base or radix with 2, or the octal number system which we see in the base or radix with contains 8 symbols, that is 0 to 7, that is base with 8. An hexadecimal number system which contains the 16 symbols, from 0 to f or 0 to 15 I say. Okay, and we seen the one conversion, that is decimal to binary. Hope all of you done or understood. With the help of the successive division or LCM method, we are leaving the remainder quotient. Okay, repeated this process until 0 or 1 once we get. Okay, put the remainder to the right of the question and repeat this process till the question becomes 0 or 1. Okay, okay, this is the first example we discussed, that is decimal to binary. 45 को binary में कैसे convert करना है, that is 45 को पहले the aim is to convert the decimal to binary, that is मतलब 10 का base से 2 से करना, that's why 2 से divide किया है 45. वो जो हर एक क्वेश्चन को जो रिमाइंडर है उसको राइट साइड में रखा है, ठीक है। देखिए उसके बाद जो लास्ट में 0 और 1 तक आने तक करना है, सो नीचे से जो ऊपर तक जाएगा तो मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट इज डाउन वन, द लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट इज अप वन। ओके, दिस इज एग्जांपल एंड फ्यू एग्जांपल्स यू डन इन योर क्लासरूम टेक्स्ट बुक एग्जांपल्स। ओके, now how to convert from the binary to decimal, this is very important. We see in the last class decimal to binary, and now binary to decimal we'll see. Okay, how the binary to decimal today class, that only we are going to see in this video. So this is the binary number, that is 10101101. Okay, this is the binary. Clearly, how we are able to understand, that is because of it is denoted with the base 2, and we have to aim is to convert to decimal, that is with the base 10. So now writing that 10101101 with the positioning value from left side increasing value, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7 until the last digit. Now multiply each binary number with the positioning value, that is 1 with the 1 into 2 power 0, then 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 7. This we seen. Okay, clear? That is, you see, adding that all the individual binary number with the positioning value, then we'll get the value of by adding all the value of that, we'll get the result of the particular decimal number. The answer is here is 73. See here, these are 1010111101 10101101। टोटल कितना है 4 plus 4 8 digits है, 8 बाइनरी नंबर है, that's why we got the positioning values from 0 to 7. सो हर एक नंबर, हर एक बाइनरी नंबर के साथ उसका पोजिशनिंग वैल्यू के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना, मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करने से उसका हमारा डेसिमल नंबर आ जाएगा। देख रहा एग्जांपल क्लियरली देखो, 1 into 2 power 0 देखा, 1 into 2 power 0 मतलब कितना है 1, again 0 into 2 power 1 that is 2, again 1 into 2 square that is 4, again 1 into 2 cube that is 1 into 8, 0 into 2 power 4 that is 0 into 16, 0 1 into 2 power 5 that is 1 into 32, 0 into 2 power 6 that is 64 into 0 0, and 1 into 2 percent that is 1 into 28. So now 128 plus 0 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, that we will get the value of 70 73 है, नहीं ज़्यादा ही आना है, ठीक है। 128 8 plus 4 12 13 13 plus 13 13 plus 1 3 32 plus 1 3 13 plus 3, okay, 173, sorry. Okay, next, this is the best small example. You see, what 11101 here, the example here, the given value is 173 given answer, but the answer is not 173. If you add all the values 30 32 plus 13, you will get 45 45 plus 128, you will get 85 13, that is 173 you will get. Okay, it's 173, they given the value, wrong value 73. Okay, now 410110 base 2 to base 10, these are also same positioning values. So 2 power 0 to 0, 2 power 1 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 16 plus 32 plus, so like that, so on it will add and you will get the value. So if you want, you do these values. Okay, clear? see here, just a minute, you do this all the binary numbers to decimal number. Understood? I think multiplying each binary numbering with the positioning value of the 240. Okay, clear? उधर में क्या करना, सक्सेसिव डिवीजन करना है. डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल ये जरूरत नहीं है, आपका जो टेक्स्ट बुक में मेनली गिवन mainly binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Okay, if you want more conversions I'll discuss that also. Okay, but in your textbook up to here they given only decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So we seen the two conversion, that is what we discussed, four number systems we seen converting the binary to decimal, decimal to binary, that only we seen. Clear? Checkpoint में few questions are there and I'll give you assignments questions also in the next class, and we'll continue this class. We'll discuss a few additional questions if you want required conversions from the binary to octal. Actually 12 conversions will come, that is each number system converting into 3 number system, that is 3 into 4, that is 12 conversions will get total. Clear? So if you want all that conversions, if anyone requires that conversion from one number system and the number system, I'll discuss clearly. But your textbook or your NDA or UPSC requires only two conversion, that is decimal to binary and binary to decimal, and there is addition between the binary numbers, how the binary addition will be done, how the binary subtraction will be done, that also there, but it will come in higher classes. Now you understood only these four number systems are there, that is decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. We seen the conversion, that is decimal to binary को देखा है, binary to decimal देखा है. Clear? So decimal to binary कैसे convert करना तो दिखाया. Okay, decimal to binary के जो है जो process है पूरा दो के साथ divide करके तो रिमाइंडर वो साइड में रखो, वो जो नीचे लास्ट जीरो तक आने तक रुक के मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट से लेके लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट तक करना है. क्लियर? This is the binary number equivalent to that particular number. Okay, next 79 को कैसे दो एग्जांपल दिया है. Next binary to decimal, multiply each binary numbering with the positioning value of the 2 power 1, that is 2 power n. ओके, मैंने स्टार्टिंग से लेफ्ट से जा रहा है तो 2 पावर 0, 2 पावर 1, 2 ऐसा करके जितना लास्ट डिजिट है उतना तक करो 2 पावर 7. ओके, एंड मल्टीप्लाई ईच बाइनरी नंबर विद द पोजीशनिंग वैल्यू ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर नंबर एंड ऐड दैट नंबर, देन यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. ओके, so here two examples they given, that we will discuss that also. Total 12 conversions are there, converting from one number system to three number system. मतलब decimal से binary, decimal से octal, decimal से hexadecimal, three हो गया. Again decimal, again binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, उधर 6 हो गया. Again octal to decimal, octal to binary, octal to hexadecimal, उधर 9 हो गया. Again hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal. So total 12 conversions we will get, but not required that many conversions. So you go through this mainly two conversions which are required for the UPSC or NDA purpose. So definitely you will enjoy, and I will give some small assignments and I will discuss the question and answers at the back side of your textbook also. Hope all of you understand. You are doing well. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared.